Okay, hi guys, long time no see. It's been about 6 months since I put up my last video. I'm doing another video now because I'm going to drain my loop and replace the distilled water with some UV blue coolant. So yeah, next few videos are going to be about that. So what I have got at the back here is, if you'll remember, I made this drain port here. It's got a tap here, and I've actually got some tubing that I will now connect here. I'll undo this. Connect this tubing up. I'm going to just put this here just in case we have a few drips there. Got a bucket. Move that out of the way. If you'll remember, I actually have a valve up here, pressure release valve. So once I undo this, I should be able to press this and drop most of the water in one go. So here we go. Out it comes. Alright, I'll leave that just dripping in there. Now I'm going to actually undo this valve at the top. Which I can't because it's too tight. Alright. Take two. I've got another port up here. Would normally use a screwdriver, but a knife is handy. Okay. I've got a second piece of pipe here that I'm going to screw on up here. And see if we can't blow the water out. So for the most part, that took like most of the water. I can see there's still a little bit just down there. I'm not really going to worry about that. too much, just because it's it's just water itself, distilled water. So when it goes in with the coolant, it's not going to really affect the colour or anything like that. So yeah, that's it. The loop's drained, and we'll make another video when we're topping it up with the new coolant. Thanks guys.